The most common causes of house fires. Dear friends, a house can easily catch fire from the misuse of appliances and heating equipment to smoking in bedrooms. In hot summer months, temperatures can soar past 40 degrees centigrade, and teamed with a dry climate, conditions are ideal for fires to break out. However, you can take measures to avoid fire at the home and ensure the safety of your family. In this video here are some of the most common causes of house fires, and some tips to take precautions. 1. Cooking equipment. Pots and pans can overheat and cause a fire very easily if the person cooking gets distracted and leaves cooking unattended. Always stay in the room, or ask someone to watch your food, when cooking on hot plates. 2. Heating. Keep portable heaters at least 1 meter away from anything that could easily catch fire such as furniture, curtains, laundry, clothes, and even yourself. If you have a furnace, get it inspected once a year to make sure it is working to safety standards. 3. Smoking in bedrooms. Bedrooms are best be kept off limits for smoking. A cigarette that is not put out properly can cause a flame, as the butt may stay lit for a few hours. It could burst into flames if it came into contact with flammable materials, such as furniture. Did you know that fires started in the bedroom or lounge make up 73% of all house fire fatalities? 4. Electrical equipment. An electrical appliance, such as a toaster, can start a fire if it is faulty or has a frayed cord. A power point that is overloaded with double adapter plugs can cause a fire from the overuse of electricity. A power point extension cord can also be a fire hazard if not used appropriately. Double-check the appliances and power points in your home. 5. Candles. Candles look and smell pretty, but if left unattended they can cause a room to easily burst into flames. Keep candles away from any obviously flammable items such as books and tissue boxes. Always blow a candle out before leaving a room. 6. Curious children. Kids can cause a fire out of curiosity, to see what would happen if they set fire to an object. Keep any matches or lighters out of reach of children, to avoid any curiosity-turned disaster. Install a smoke alarm in your child's room and practice a home escape plan with your children and family in case there was a fire. 7. Faulty wiring. Homes with inadequate wiring can cause fires from electrical hazards. Some signs to see if you've bad wiring are: 1. Lights dim if you use another appliance. 2. For an appliance to work, you have to disconnect another. 3. Fuses blow or trip the circuit frequently. Have a licensed electrician come and inspect your house, or contact your landlord if you have any of the above occurrences. 8. Barbecues. Barbecues are great for an outdoor meal, but should always be used away from the home, tablecloths, or any plants and tree branches. Keep BBQs regularly maintained and cleaned with soapy water and clean any removable parts. Check the gas bottle for any leaks before you use it each time. 9. Flammable liquids. If you have any flammable liquids in the home or garage such as petrol, kerosene, or methylated spirits, keep them away from heat sources and check the label before storing. Be careful when pouring these liquids. 10. Lighting. Lampshades and light fittings can build up the heat if they are very close to light globes. Check around the house to make sure. Lamp bases can become a hazard if they are able to be knocked over easily, and so should be removed if they are. Check that downlights are insulated from wood paneling or ceiling timbers. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.